Hi, welcome back to Cough Cough. Today I'd like to talk about some of the social implications of chronic cough in terms of anxiety, social anxiety and other issues that can affect people mentally in their day-to-day lives with chronic cough. So when you cough a lot and you have raise a certain expectation that you may cough in undesirable circumstances. So whether that's in a social setting, like groups of friends, or a meeting, or a business setting, or in school, or something. So effectively plays on your mind that you may cough, and we're not just talking about a kind of a little cough or a couple of coughs, and we're talking about a really serious cough. So a cough that you can't stop, a cough that becomes something that you can't control, and that needs to be managed. And sometimes those coughs can get so bad that potentially it may lead to vomiting or some other really uncomfortable situation. And in that kind of setting, you're talking about red bloodshot eyes, bright red face, cough, 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 situation where people are, potentially noticing what you're doing and really stopping and wondering what's going on. And they may be prompting you for various, asking you, hey, what's up? Can I help you? And do you need some sort of treatment or Heimlich maneuver or something? So it's can be pretty embarrassing for you, and in terms of other people observing that and watching that, and not a great situation to be in. So that can create worry and anxiety, and potentially lead you to maybe avoid certain situations where you feel as though you can't adequately manage a cough should it arise. It also can affect self-esteem, I think, and how we feel about ourselves. And look, I think that we're all human and we've all got issues. We all have embarrassing sort of situations, and we do the best that we can with them. We're much more than a cough, and the cough doesn't define us as people. And when we're not coughing, I'm sure that we're all perfectly functioning people, I would hope, or at least we can do our best with the life that we have got. So yes, we may cough and do something embarrassing. Good people will understand and let us do what we need to do to sort that out. People that we don't need in our lives will perhaps make fun of that sort of situation or think unkindly of us. You just have to know that you're much more than a cough, and you can go into situations and not cough, and that does happen. And you can go into situations and manage to cough fine and still do what you need to do. So next time you're anxious or worried or wondering, will you cough and will you embarrass yourself? Take some precautionary measures, take some water in, look for a place that you can go if something did get out of control, and just try and be calm and do the best you can. We've got to get on with our lives, we've got to get on with doing things, and it's the only way that we'll find a way out, way to overcome the cough.